Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing pasta salad. Recently, I posted a video of how to make shawarma and I mentioned that I was going to show you guys how to make this pasta salad. And yes, today is the day I'm showing you guys. God, I loved it so much. So I hope you guys enjoy it and try it out as well. So let's just get into it. So for this, we're going to be needing our pasta, carrots, mayonnaise, salad cream, baked beans, cabbage, sweet corn, sausages. Guys, like I said in the shawarma video, there's no right way or wrong way of making your pasta salad. So guys, this is my method and I decided to share it with you guys. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is cook my pasta. So I'm going to pour it into a pot. So the water is already hot. So I added salt to it and I added my pasta. So I'm just going to leave that to cook and then this is what the final result looks like. I have drained it out and I'm going to just add my salad. I like adding my salad cream, my mayonnaise at the beginning because it will make the pasta itself creamy before even adding other things. So I'm just going to mix it just like this. Then I'm going to add my cabbage, mix it as well, add my carrot and sweet corn, mix it as well, and then add my diced sausages. So as you're doing each stage, you are mixing and mixing. So once I'm done with these diced sausages, I'm now going to add more salad cream and mayonnaise if I want to. Now guys, you can make it as creamy as you want. It's your choice. So make it as creamy as you want. So I'm just going to give it a taste and yes, it tastes amazing. Like I love it. And guys, some people actually add sliced boiled eggs. So like I said, there's no right way or wrong way to make your pasta salad. So I'm just going to put it in this bowl, just like this. God, it looks so amazing. And then I'm going to put it in my fridge, let it get cold a bit, and then I'm going to serve it with rice or whatever I want to eat it with. Or you can even eat it alone, guys. It's that amazing. You can eat it as a meal. And this is it with the shawarma I mentioned earlier, and it was fabulous. Like my birthday was late, so this was what made it amazing, more amazing basically. So this is it guys. I hope you love this video. This is the end of this particular tutorial. I hope you loved it. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I post any amazing video just like this. Also comment in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. Like this video as well, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.